Ravi met AI for the first time. A bakery. A very confused baker. And one big realization that if you want something useful from Claude, you have to actually tell it what you want. Today, we go deeper. Today, Ravi learns how to talk to Claude, so it actually listens. Here is the problem every IT professional hits on day one with Claude. You open a chat, you type something, and you get back something. Maybe useful. Mostly not. Sound familiar? That is not Claude being stupid. That is you being vague. And vague is something we can fix. Think of Claude as a waiter. Not just any waiter, the world's smartest waiter. He has read every cookbook ever written, every recipe, every cuisine on the planet. But when you sit down and say, "Bring me food," he brings you something random. Give him a specific order. He nails it every single time. The fix is a 4-part formula: role, context, task, format. Role tells Claude who it should be. Context gives the situation. Task tells it exactly what to produce. Format tells it how to present it. That is all it takes. 4 parts every time, without fail. Watch what happens when we use the formula Ravi versus not using it. First, the vague version, 5 words. Claude does its best, but it is generic. Nobody's project, nobody's situation, could be anybody. Now, watch what happens when all 4 parts are in the prompt. Same Claude, completely different result. Your turn. Business analysts, this one is for you. 60% complete. 2 weeks behind schedule. Vendor API delayed. Watch the prompt go in. Watch what comes back. This is not magic. This is structure. Same information. Completely different output from Claude. Hey, if you have come this far, you are clearly serious about making AI work for you at work. Hit that subscribe button right now. New episode drops every week, and each one teaches you one more skill you can use the very next morning. Go on, I will wait. Project managers, here is yours. Requirements review meeting. 5 stakeholders, finance and IT. Objective, sign off on phase 2 scope. Watch how the role and context carry all the weight. Claude builds the entire structure from that information alone. Scrum Masters and PMs, this one saves hours. CRM implementation. Financial services, 10 risks, 15 seconds. Formatted as a proper register. Likelihood, impact, mitigation. The kind of table that used to take 90 minutes on a Friday afternoon. Here is what nobody tells you. The quality of what Claude gives you is 100% tied to the quality of what you give Claude. Garbage in, garbage out. Specific in, structured, relevant, well-formatted out. Context is the ingredient everyone skips. Do not skip it. One more thing, you will be tempted to be lazy. Type something short. See what happens. That is Dave's approach. Dave has been in IT for 20 years. Dave just got passed over for promotion by someone who has been using Claude for 3 months. Do not be Dave. Your homework this week. Pick one task from your actual job. Build the prompt using the 4 parts. Role, context, task, format, run it in Claude, then come back here and drop a comment. Tell me what the task was and whether Claude nailed it. Best prompt from the comments gets featured in episode 2.